So today I'm here at home and I got this package and I have an idea about what this is, so let me see if I'm right about that. So yes, this is a phone holder for the new iPhone, or for any iPhone I think, with a magnetic pad. Difficult to open. There you go. So here it is. Let's pull out the phone. So immediate magnet. Pretty good hold. And this extends. So let's take this protection plastic off. Oh wow, that was that motor for, I don't know what it says here. Press and pull up to detach. So, oh, this one maybe. Oh, this is another protective plastic. I guess you can take it off, maybe. And another one here, so two. I think I got them off now. This is a sticky pad, so but let's try it here. Probably gonna put it here for now. And even though this car has this huge screen on top of it, I still want my phone here by me. So let's say we wanted to put an address here. I'm going to the airport later today. There it is. And the rest of the screen is free for something else. There's a few accessories here, including some magnetic rings in case your phone doesn't have it. This pad, you can put it on the dashboard if you want to put it there permanently. This is not my car, so I won't do that. And this is a template to make it sure it's perfectly centered or whatever you, or wherever you want it. Cleaning wipes, a tutorial. I don't think, I mean, we already went through the whole process without even looking at the instructions, but here they are. Primary unit, protective buffer, cleaning kit, the USB A to C cable. It has an LED indicator for where it's charging. I'm gonna do that at home. And very clearly here, not a wireless charger. So this will not charge your phone, it's just to hold it. And charging the cable for the suction cup only. So it does not support wireless charging, as we said. How to install? Well, we already saw it, pretty easy. It goes on different surfaces. Leather, highly textured surfaces. We're gonna try that. So you hear the motor when it's getting the grip. So it does. Oh, they're pretty good. And this is leather, so that is true. How to use? Well, we already saw that. So there it is. More than 90% of people can install it right after watching this video. So I guess I'm the 10% because I didn't watch the video and I installed it. So, but anyway, good product for the cars, good accessories. Safety is always important, so you want to have your hands free. You don't want to have the phone in your hand, so this is a much better solution. And actually have never seen this kind of grip, electric grip, where you can just put it anywhere. So pretty good. Let's go for a little ride around the block just to check it, and but you see the whole idea. Pretty cool product.
Starting route to Miami International Airport. Head west on Southwest 86th Street. At the stop sign, turn left onto Southwest 58th Avenue. Then at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Southwest 84th Street.
So there you have it. We're not listening to the actual GPS because we're not going to the airport right now. We'll go later. But pretty cool product here from LISEN Phone Accessories. This is the A690 electric vacuum magnetic phone mount. Thumbs up. Now it's fully charged, and according to the description in the website, it says that with a full charge it will stay, or you will have power for a whole month. So there you have it, pretty easy. Again, very good product. This LISEN A690 electric vacuum magnetic phone mount.